HOV Series 3 control board operation. This video will cover the operation and navigation of the Winston Series 3 control board. In this video, we will go over the user interface, the control board icons, and then the operation of the control board. The Winston Series 3 control board interface is very similar to the Winston B Series control board, but with more control and features. Directly below the easy-to-read LED display is the power button. To turn the unit on, simply press the power button. To the left of the power button is the up and down buttons that control the cabinet's water vapor temperature. To the right of the power button is the up and down buttons that control the cabinet's air temperature. Directly below the power button is the menu/temperature button. This button displays the cabinet temperature and is also used to access the menu settings. To the left of the menu button is the back button. This button is used during menu navigation to return to the previous menu. To the right of the menu button is the enter button. This button is used to select or accept various menu functions. Series 3 control board icons. The Winston Series 3 control board has 6 different control icons. The sun icon is displayed when the air heaters are activated and operating. The water wave icon is displayed when the water heaters are activated and operating. The water drop icon is displayed when the auto water fill system is activated. The gear icon is displayed when the control menu is activated or a system update is being performed. The speaker with an X icon indicates that the speaker is muted. And the triangle icon indicates that there is an issue with the cabinet. This is displayed in conjunction with an error code on the display. Control board operation and menu navigation. Press the power button to power the unit on. The vapor temperature up and down buttons control the water temperature. This can be set to off and up to 200 degrees Fahrenheit in 1 degree increments. The air temperature up and down buttons control the air temperature. This can be set to off and up to 205 degrees Fahrenheit in 1 degree increment. Besides off, the lowest the air temperature can be set is what the water temperature is set at. For example, if the vapor temperature is set at 150 degrees Fahrenheit, the lowest you can set the air temperature is 150 degrees Fahrenheit. By short pressing the menu/thermometer button, you can check the vapor temperature, the air temperature, the differential, and the relative humidity of the cabinet. By long pressing the menu/thermometer button, the display will go into the menu mode. The first menu to be displayed is the settings menu. By pressing either the vapor temperature or the air temperature up button, the menu will advance. The next menu is the upload presets menu. Then, the next menu after that is the about menu. And finally comes the reboot menu. You can press the temperature down button to go backwards in the menu selection. Let's start with the settings menu. Scroll to the settings menu and then press the enter button. The settings submenu will be displayed starting with security. Press enter to select security settings. From this menu, you can enable or disable the security settings. Press either the vapor or air temperature up and down buttons to toggle to desired security setting. If you choose to enable the security settings, toggle to enabled and press enter. The control will display enter code. Press the vapor temperature up button until the number 2 is displayed, then press enter. Using the vapor temperature up button, press until number 3 is displayed, then press enter. Again, press the vapor up button until 4 is displayed, then press enter. Finally, press the vapor up button until 5 is displayed and then press enter. The security lock is now enabled. The code will have to be entered again to change any of the control board settings. To disable the security lock, scroll to security and select disable. Then re-enter the 2345 security code. The next settings submenu is the volume setting. Press enter to select volume menu, and then using either the vapor or air temperatures up and down button, set the desired volume level for the unit. Then press enter to select that level. The next submenu is display. Press enter to select this menu. Using the vapor or air temperature up and down button to select whether the vapor temperature or the overall air temperature is displayed. Press enter to select your desired display settings. The next submenu is the temperature scale menu. Using either the vapor or air temperature up and down button to select either Fahrenheit or Celsius as desired temperature scale. Press enter to select Using the air or vapor temperatures up button, the next submenu is the Fill System menu. Press Enter to select this menu. The control is going to display what mode the water level sensor is set at. Press Enter and you can change to Probe, Float, or Disabled. Probe is the default if the unit has low water detection. Disabled if the unit doesn't have low water detection. And Float if the unit is a retrofitted older unit. Set the desired low water detection mode and press Enter. The unit will now display level sensor. Press the Vapor or Air up button and the unit will display Water Valve. Press Enter. Using the Vapor or Air up and down button, scroll to your desired water valve setting. If the unit is equipped with auto water fill, select Enable. And if the unit does not have auto water fill, select Disable. Then press Enter. Next, press the back button to return to the Settings submenu. Press the Vapor or Air up button to advance to the next Settings submenu, which is Tuning. Then press Enter. Using the Vapor or Air up or down buttons, you can offset the display temperature plus or minus 30 degrees. The default setting is 0 degrees offset. Press Enter to select your desired offset. Tuning is the last Settings submenu. Press the back button to return to the main menu set. Control should display Setting. Using the Vapor or Air up button, scroll to the next main menu display, which is Upload Presets. Presets can be loaded into a USB drive. Insert the USB drive into the USB port and then press Enter. The presets will be loaded to the unit at this time. Using the Vapor or Air up button, scroll to the next main menu display, which is About. Press Enter and the control will display the current uploaded firmware version. After the firmware is displayed, press Enter and the unit will display About. Using the Vapor or Air up buttons, advance to the final main menu item, which is Reboot. Press Enter and the unit display will ask to confirm reboot. Press Enter and the unit will cycle down. You will have to press the Start button to restart the unit.